Hello and welcome to my dance lessons at home. My name is Egils, I'm dance teacher. Often in the comments of the videos I see idea that in ballroom dancing man should always start with his left foot and lady should always start with her right foot because ladies are always right, correct? I kinda agree with this idea, but what can we do if we want to start with natural figure? And for man, natural figure forward almost always starts with right foot. Is there solution? Yes, there is. We can do introductory step or preparation step. And today I will show you these preparation steps for waltz, Viennese waltz, slow foxtrot and even quickstep. We will start with simplest preparation step with left foot for man. So man's weight is on right foot, left foot is free to side, so we collect foot. At the same time we rotate slightly body to left and step forward through heel, collect weight and lower slightly down. Then we can start natural figure forward. Again, man simply collects left foot to right foot with rotation. Rotation starts here in the center of the body. Step forward through the heel, lower, and we can start natural turn. So for lady stands on left foot. She collects right foot with body rotation and step back, lower, collect weight, and now continue with natural figure. Again, lady collects with body rotation free foot, step back on right foot and natural figure. Count in slow waltz will be for man 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now ladies steps to count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And from this direction 1, 2, 3, go 2, 3. Now if we dance, for example, in quickstep, we can also do same thing, but we count slightly differently. 5, 6, 7, 8, slow, quick, quick. 5, 6, 7, 8, slow, quick, quick. Ladies steps. 5, 6, 7, 8, slow, quick, quick. And 5, 6, 7, 8, slow, quick, quick. Now, if we do, for example, Viennese waltz, then man would do not collect weight and step forward, but he would do rotation to left. At the same time, he will transfer weight diagonally back. And now he is ready to go forward to natural turn. Again, in Viennese waltz, man's steps, he rotates to left, transfers weight to left foot, and now he goes forward into natural turn. So lady would do step forward with rotation to left, and now back to side close. Again, ladies version. Lady will start transferring weight forward on the right foot, rotation to left, and 1, 2, 3. And now let's do to music. And now, slow foxtrot preparation step. We will look at slightly more difficult, slightly more complex version. So man starts on right foot. Now he rotates to right and goes to side in that direction. Rotates, brush, free foot. Now we go to that side and rotate to left and collect, free foot, step from the heel, lower, and now we're ready for natural figure. Again, from this angle, so man stands on right foot, rotates to right and goes sideways, collects, free foot. Now sideways in that direction, rotates to left, step through heel and lower. Now we are ready to go into natural figure. So lady steps. Lady stands on left foot. Now she goes to side and rotates to right. Now transfers weight to this direction, goes to side, rotates to left, collects free foot, step back, collect weight, and ready for natural figure. Let's do again. Lady stands on left foot. Now she goes in that direction to side and rotates body to right. Now in that direction and rotates body to left, collects foot and preparation step lower and ready to go in natural figure. Now with the count, man steps. Man starts with weight on right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Five, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and go. Now lady steps. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. And now foxtrot to music. Now, this version we just did in slow foxtrot. We can do also in quickstep and in slow waltz. So in quickstep the count is the same, the tempo is different of course. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, slow, quick, quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, slow. Or ladies version, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow. Quick, quick. Whoosh. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow. Quick, quick. Now in slow waltz it means we can count 2 bars. For man is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, go, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, go, 2, 3. And ladies steps. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, go, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, go, 2, 3. And now quickstep version to music. Slow waltz version to music. And now one extra more version even slightly more advanced with hover action. So we do it in slow foxtrot. We go to side, we do like oversway, then we go to side and we rise up on toes, hovering action, and diagonally forward with left side lead. So we prepare, step outside partner, slow, quick, quick. So man will go to side, oversway line, hover brush, and diagonally forward, and next step will be with right foot forward outside partner. With count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slow, quick, quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, go. So lady steps. Lady will do oversway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now hover 3, 4. And next step is in CBMP. And continue. Again. Lady will do oversway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Brush 4. And start with left foot or continue with left foot. And now this hover version, but in waltz timing to music. I hope you enjoyed this dance lesson. And now let's thank my patrons on Patreon. They loved my videos so much that they supported me, and I can continue to make free dance lessons. Thank you. And if you want to join us, you are very welcomed. And now, thank you all. Let's stay safe and keep dancing.